Welcome back to my school bus conversion project.
Well, the solar panels just arrived on a nice pallet.
And then the aluminum to mount the solar panels got delayed for a week, so I got started rebuilding the front door instead. At this point, I realized that the mounting system I was using for the solar panels wasn't going to work on the curved roof, so I decided to switch to using aluminum bars that spanned the full width of the panel. And then it rained for a while, so I installed some walls into the front area in the meantime.
So I've run into a slight measurement issue with the solar panels. When I was buying the material for them, I thought that they were 72 inches long, or 6 feet. However, they're just over 79 inches long, which means that the 20-foot aluminum panels are slightly shorter than 3 solar panels. So I'm going to have to bolt on some of my cutoffs to extend the length of this a little bit so that it will fit 3 of the panels in there. So I didn't have quite as much time this weekend as I was hoping. I still need to mount the 3rd solar panel in this frame here, but that is going to get hoisted up the side of the bus here and is going to fold out like an awning. So I'm going to have another set of 3 solar panels on the other side. So that'll give me 10 panels, 6 on the 2 sides and 4 on the roof, for a total of 4 kilowatts of solar, which should be plenty to run everything I need.
So that will do it for this episode. Next time I will finish up installing the solar panels and install the floor in the living area.